Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Judy, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial today. I'm doing the last page of my Halloween scrapbooking layouts for this year, and I wanted to show you the last one that I'm doing. I did it through Design Space, and I'm using the, I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. Very dry here in Tennessee. I'm using the Close to My Heart Complete Creativity cartridge that is new. You can order it through my webpage, judyashmore.closetomyheart.com, and it is a Cricut digital. So I'm going to show you what I did. I've opened up my Cricut Design Space. I'm going to go to all categories, to my projects. Get my little pencil here. Okay, my projects, and I pulled the little stylus out. That's why I did that crazy stuff. So I'm working on the one that's called Too Cute to Spook. I have saved it in my files, and that way I can go back, I can pull it up, I can click Make It to go ahead and make the complete, it's an 8.5 by 11, or I can customize. So I'm going to click on Customize and show you what I've done. Here it is on the mat. It is 8 1/4 by 10.5. I did it a little bit smaller than an 8.5 by 11 because I wanted a background page to kind of highlight the page that I've done. You can go into your design, click on your design, you can manipulate it, you can change the size, you can add more icons, there's tons of stuff you can do. And when you get ready, you're on this page, then down at the bottom there's a little green Cricut symbol, and it says Make It, and that's where you go to Make It. Let's see, there. It brings up the mats. That will let you know excuse me, if you need to do an 8.5 by 11 size page or a 12 by 12 size page, because I did a color sync, which put all the black things together, all the purple things together, all the orange things together, blah blah blah. Okay, so now I'm going, and it tells you how many mats, 6 mats. If I scroll over, you can also rearrange things, but I'm not going to work on that with you today. I'll work on that some other day. So I'm going to log out, sign out, then I'm going to close this, and we're going to get into putting it together. Like I said, I wanted a background of black, and I have already glued the orange strip that goes across the bottom. The bats show up when you put your background piece in, and this was a light gray. I have the journaling and photo mats put together, and I changed it around a little bit. You can do whatever you want to with your design. It is your design. Here's the little letters that say Eek. We'll glue that on, and I like to use a tweezer, and then I can squirt my glue out just on parts of the lettering. You don't have to have it on all of it. And that shows it right there. That's where I'm going to put it. Actually, I'm going to put this up a little higher because I made a boo-boo when I was taking this art. So boo-boos can be corrected. And I'm going to put the glue on the back, and we'll put it up a little higher, which is fine. I think I'll just go straight up and down. Then I will put a cobweb down here at the bottom, and again I'm just going to use touch glue around it to give it some stability, and I'll put it right there. Then on this one I put these together already, and I'm ready to put that on the page. And I'll put a little bit up here on the top, and then I can put that. And for this one, I wanted a wonky look, so I put the journaling mats or photo, whichever one I'm going to use, little sideways design. And I have another web to put down here, another spider web down here. I'll just put a little glue, and I'll just attach that right there. Once you cut out your stuff, you can put them wherever you want to put things. I've got the big bat, middle-sized bat, a little bat, and I have one more web. I think I will put it right down here in the corner for a little embellishment down here in the corner. And then I can put my bats on. Just put them on randomly. Kind of cute. And there. And then I thought I would add some little glitz to it. I pulled out some sequiny stuff. I pulled out some pearls. Just got into my stash. It doesn't have any purple, so I think I'm going to put a little bit of purple in with that, and use that for decoration. And I'll use my little pickup thing. Let's see. Let's put a purple. Let's put purple up in the sky. So I'll put those on. 3. And then I think I'll put a couple of black pieces down here. I could put some more stamping right in here if I wanted to. And then I might put some more purple. I love purple down here in the bottom. And that'll just give it a little bit of glitz. And you can do whatever you wish with that. And I think that's enough. So I have my last page of Halloween. I want February. It's so hot. And it will be going in my book. Here's my first page. Here's 2. Happy Halloween. August 31st. And here's the spook house. And this one is Too Cute to Spook. And he will go in here. So now I have, and since I have 4 children, 10 grandchildren, I will probably dedicate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll probably dedicate the first one to just some generic family picture type fun Halloween things, and then I will dedicate each page to a different family, and that way I'll have everybody put into a Halloween folder. So that's all I have today. Once you get those cut out, they are so quick and easy to put together. I would love for you to consider me as a consultant, maybe an online consultant, but you can always get in touch with me. My website for Close to My Heart is judyashmore.closetomyheart.com. I love talking to all of you, and I love talking to myself. Ta-ta!